One of the biggest keys to my clients' success when it comes to having more energy, losing weight, and feeling their best is that we do little things that make the biggest difference. When we consistently do little things over time, they all add up. And so in today's blog, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 tiny habits that will change your life. And when you implement even one of these things consistently, you'll see change. When you add 2 or 3 or 4, really start building on this whole process, you can really start to see change in your energy, in your body, and in your life. So this week in the blog, I'm going to be sharing these 10 tips with you. Head on in, get started, and let me know how it goes. Now, if you have tips you'd like to add, absolutely pop them down below as well. I think that when we all collaborate our ideas, we can do so much more good in the world. And so go ahead, share your ideas with me. Let me know which one of these you're going to give it a try. Head on into the blog and I will see you over there. Lots of new people here on this page right now. And so I just wanted to say a huge warm welcome. My name is Gayleen Gomez. I'm the owner of Compass Rose Nutrition and Wellness. And I help women who have really busy, hectic lives boost their energy, lose weight, feel better by really improving their healthy habits. Simple lifestyle changes, simple nutrition changes that can make a world of difference. That's who I work with. So if you're interested, leave me a comment, reach out, say hello, and I'd be happy to chat. Now head on into the blog and I will see you over there.